Question number 5. Average is the middle value. Middle value is nothing but the fifth box. Basics. Question number 5. Original Staff Selection Commission question. You will think that the question paper is difficult. Question paper is not difficult. Your methodology, your way of solving makes it very difficult. You are not being trained properly, or you do not know all these concepts. ABC. ABC is a right angled triangle. 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 AB is nothing but 10. BC is nothing but 24. Right? Find in radius. In radius are equivalent to how much? Find in radius. Exact options. I am not writing the options. You can go and download previous year SSC questions. These are the exact options. 9486. In radius is 9486. Again, if I am solving the question, right, if I am solving this question through sheer observation, right, I will get the answer in 10 seconds. Answer is nothing but 4. Answer is nothing but 4. You don't need to do anything. Answer is nothing but 4. But still I will teach you the concepts. Answer is nothing but 4. Why it is 4? Step number 1. First see here. Step number 1. AB is 10. Again listen carefully. AB is 10 and it is 24. And it is 24. How much it will be? Already I have discussed. You can watch our YouTube channel to know how to find out the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets is nothing but in radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. So by using these two concepts, this is concept 1 and it is concept 2, you can solve. Concept 1 and it is concept 2, you can solve. First is 10, then is 24. This will become 2 5s are 10. Next it is 2 12s are 24. Next it is 2 13s are 26. So here it is 26. Pythagorean we got it as 26. So in radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. 10 plus 24 minus 26 by 2, it is 4. Why it is 10 plus 24? Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2 minus C, which is A plus B minus C by 2. A plus B minus C by 2. Right? One is a Pythagorean triplets, which is nothing but a derived triplet of 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13 derived is 2 into 5, 2 into 12, 2 into 13. 10, 24, 26. So it is 26. This is traditional method. Another method, just by observation taken from the NCERT textbook. This is R, this is R. Total it will also become R. Now if you observe, can I say AB is greater than 2R? 2R should be less than AB. 2R should be less than AB. R should be less than 5. R should be less than 5. Only one option 4. If there is more than one option 4, you have to use this concept. In radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Just by observation, circle is inscribed. Circle is inscribed. Because the circle is inscribed, what I will get the answer, right? AB, height should always be greater than 2R. Height should always be greater than 2R. Ankit, this is based upon Pythagorean triplets. 10 is 2 into 5. Pythagorean triplet is beta. It is 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Watch Ajay sir's YouTube video how to find Pythagorean triplets. 2 into 5, 2 into 12. Next is 2 into 13. So 5, 12. Next triplet is 13. 5 is doubled, 12 is doubled, 13 also will be doubled. Right? Ensure that you go through all the basics from NCERT, CBSE and ICSE, right? Standard concepts. Please write down next question. Question number 5. I hope it is clear. If a circle is inscribed, we will write a point. I hope it is clear, right? Now we will write a point. Idea is 4. Root cause is, right? Height should always be greater than 2r. Height should always be greater than 2r. Height should always be greater than 2r. Stupid answer options are given. Now if you see, this is a right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle and a circle is inscribed. Next one, if you observe carefully, there is another triangle, there is another one, right? Now this circle is called as the incircle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. This is a circumcircle. The circumcircle. In hurry you will do the mistake. Write everything. Circumcircle touches the vertices of a triangle. There is a difference between incircle and circumcircle. Incircle touches the sides of a triangle. Circumcircle touches the vertices of a triangle. Understand the difference. I think Sri Vadana, right? You are listening to the class for the first time. We have already discussed from April 16th YouTube live classes are happening. Now it is 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Why it is a Pythagorean triplet? Right? Why it is, my old students knows it. For new students I am discussing. If the lowest side is an odd number, say 5, square it and divide by 2. 25 by 2 is 12.5. Subtract 0.5, add 0.5. You will get a Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13. If it is 7 square divided by 2, 49 by 2, 24.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. 7, 24, 25. If it is 9 square by 2, 81 by 2, 40.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. Add 0.5. I hope the idea is clear. So once you get 5, 12, 13, you multiply with any k, you will get all derived triplets. Everything else is a derived triplet of 5, 12, 13. Basic triplet means ABC should be co-prime. If k is 2, you got the triplet 10, 24, 26. If k is 3, you got the triplet 15, 36, 39. I hope it is clear, right? I hope each and every question, please listen carefully. Beautiful concepts we are going to discuss through each and every problem. Again and again I am repeating, what is the idea? Height is always greater than 2r. Height is always greater than 2 into r. This is the root cause of the problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Once you identify the root cause of the problem, everything else will follow. I hope it is clear. Sri Vadana, I hope it is clear. Each and every question listen carefully. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Idea clear, right? Shall I go to the next question? Is it clear? Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear, beta? Kindly acknowledge if it is clear. We have to do a lot of problems. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right, already we discussed Prasad. That is the reason you should not miss any classes, Prasad. Because of you, I need to discuss a concept. My students have already gone through 6 to 8 hours of classes. Right, the classes have already started from April 16th onwards. Please subscribe to ANC channel. If it is even, right, if it is 4, these all my old students can solve it very fast. 16 by 4 is 4. Subtract 1 and add 1. 3, 4, 5. This is a very easy question. Side is 6. Side is 6. 36 by 4, which is 9. Subtract 1, add 1. 6, 8, 10. Side is 8. 8 squares by 4, 64 by 4, 16. Subtract 1 and add 1. I hope it is clear, right? My old students, you need to excuse me because new students have asked, right? My enrolled students are far ahead in terms of the preparation because they have already gone through 120 hours of YouTube live classes, right? I hope it is clear.